Good morning, Wildcats, and happy Friday. I'm your anchor, Anaya. I'm here alone. We have a short show for you leading into the first week of November, so let's get started. This Saturday, November 5th from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. in the Fieldhouse is the world-famous Can Jam. Come out to see live performances from local acts Luke Henry, Half Lit Moon, Keith Preston, and Sachi. Entrance fee is only 3 canned food items or a measly $5. Come out to help fight hunger this Thanksgiving season. The Marching Pride of Lawrence Township placed 8th at state this past weekend. Congratulations, everyone. It's on to the national level tonight and Saturday. The MPLT will be performing in the Bands of America Indy Super Regional. If the band scores in the top 14 against other bands from the Midwest, they will advance to the regional final Saturday evening in Lucas Oil Stadium. Good luck to everyone competing. Make us proud. And now to an edition of CETV Cribs.
Hey, I'm Garrett G-Man Russell. Welcome to Cat's Eye Cribs. Let's do it. Okay, well, she's busy flipping bottles. We're gonna walk down this plain brown hallway. Foreign hallway, by the way. Room 314. I repeat, 314. This is where the magic happens at Cat's Eye. Welcome to the Cat's Eye studio. This is the crew. Meet the crew. Say hello.
What's up?
These are beautiful.
What's up? It's Richard, aka.
These are beautiful. This is where the editing magic happens. We got Cat's Eye. Step down this way. Welcome to the beautiful Cat's Eye studio. Got our cameras here. Got our teleprompter screens with the computer screen. LT right there. That is where the words come in that we say on Cat's Eye. These are just I don't know. And this is our beautiful black desk. This is Cat's Eye Cribs. I'm Garrett G-Man.
And that was CETV Cribs. Another glorious season for intramural dodgeball comes to a disappointing end. Just kidding. The Average Bros once again take the title over contenders Cobras. We had a great turnout this year, both in teams and crowd. We had a great time, to be sure. Congratulations to everyone on Average Bros, and thank you to everyone who competed. The girls' basketball team played their season opener last night against number 10 Noblesville. The girls came out strong early and kept the pressure on through all 4 quarters. Final score, Lawrence North 69, Noblesville 58. Great job, girls. You can catch them in action November 12th away again Heritage Christian. Last minute reminder, Cats, don't forget to print out your ticket and bring an ID for the SAT this weekend. Good luck to everyone testing. You'll do great. And now to our wrestlers given a promotion at the start of their season.
Nico bunking in the trap, yeah.
Thanks, ugly guy.
Yeah.
Thanks, ugly guy. Thanks, ugly guy.
As always, thank you for tuning in. This has been CETV. Have a fantastic day, Wildcats. I love you, Tyrone. Just kidding. My teacher put that in the script. But I'm Anaya. Have a great day and go Cats.